Are you still troubled by the cracks and leaks in the exterior wall joints caused by thermal expansion and contraction?
The Shuangyuan Organic Silicone Weatherproof Sealant has a displacement capacity of up to plus or minus 35%, 35 grades, perfectly addressing building expansion and contraction, and effectively eliminating the risk of cracking from its very source. High elasticity, high recovery, extremely strong weather resistance. Whether it is glass, curtain walls, aluminum plate curtain walls, or exterior wall expansion joints. 也看得起不浪潮吗？ Ceiling protection.